G'day guys, thanks for checking out our Mazda 3 SP25 that has just arrived here. This one here is a fantastic one owner vehicle. You've got projector headlights. It does have your daytime running lights and fog lights, alloy wheels, plenty of tread on those tyres. Coming down to the side, keyless entry, push button start. And as you can see, in through the trim, it does have that premium cloth trim, side curtain airbags, and much more. Genuine floor mats as well. Coming through inside, as you can see, it's in great condition throughout. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Coming around the back, you still got the alloy wheels. Quick release access into the back of the vehicle here. Plenty of room through the boot and down through the side. This car is in fantastic condition. Coming through inside the vehicle, a couple of great features here. It's only traveled 140,000 Ks. It does have your cruise control, audio control. You do have your cellular navigation as well. And we do have your reverse camera. Fantastic history as well. This car will not last long. We look forward to speaking to you soon. If you've got any queries at all, you can contact us, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.